Snap, crackle, pop. Hi, I'm Louise Phillips, Forbes, and welcome to 32 Gramercy Park South. This beautiful, magazine-worthy two-bedroom home exudes grace and elegance. Apartment 16B is a winning combination of two apartments, spacious, sun-filled, and fully renovated, with no expenses spared, offering an expansive layout with two winged bedrooms, two marble bathrooms, magnificent skyline western views overlooking Gramercy Park, plus a key to the park. The impressive and inviting living space, combined living room, dining, and open kitchen, is a chef's delight. Top-of-the-line appliances, double sink, custom curated cabinetry to provide as much storage space as possible. The expansive primary bedroom is just shy of 23 feet and enjoys the gel-fueled fireplace. This designer thought through every detail. Every corner is curated, tucked away spaces with thoughtful consideration, and serenity is what you experience when you come home. Not only do you get all this, but do you see this? This is the key to the kingdom, Gramercy Park. Gramercy Park is called the Park for Lovers, as it is so exclusive, yet it marks more engagements in history than we can even count. For me, it evokes intimacy, private serenity, and I think that it has been preserved for all these years with such a limited exclusive access to keys that you can have with this home. I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, and I look forward to sharing this one with you.